Iba't ibang kulay, iba't ibang husay, pero lahat tunay. Pag-usapan natin to ngayong gabi. Alam kong hindi ka na mapakali. Mga repa, peeps, tropa, lahat ng kakosa. Pati si Marites may bagong istorya. So let's wake up the entire nation. Start with one is conversation. Bagong liwanag pagdating ng gabi. Lahat ng sulok pati dyan sa tabi. This is gonna be a different night. Welcome to Discovery Night. Discovery Night. Ibahin ang usapan, lagyan mo ng ngiti. Sumama ka at buhayin ang gabi. Yes, it's gonna be a different night. Welcome to Discovery Night. Discovery 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 Night. Welcome to Discovery Night.
Hello mga Discovery Nighties! Ako, saan gedli man kayo nakatutok ngayon, isang masayang biyernes na naman ngayong gabi. Welcome sa Chillax na kwentuhan, masaya at may mga napupulot na mga aral galing sa ating mga guests. Ito ang Discovery Night. Sa panahon ng naging madali na ang pagnanavigate natin sa mundo dahil sa tulong ng mga AI or Artificial Intelligence, minsan gumagamit din ako niyan para lang may experience. Malaking tulong talaga dahil itong mga high-tech gadgets and machines sa ating kapaligiran, pwede natin kapulutan ng iba't ibang diskarte at talino na pwede ring pang-gedli. Kaya naman, ito ang aking tips na ibibigay sa inyo ngayon sa ating Isko 101. Nako, tag-ulan na naman. Nako. Pero meron akong tip sa inyo. Nung araw, kanya-kanyang abilidad lang pag tag-ulan. Pag wala kang magawa, tambay ka sa gedli, bumabaha, labas ka ng bahay. Kumuha ka ng tabla. Yung tabla, ilagay mo sa pagitan ng bangketa o gutter, no? Tapos, voila, may toll gate ka na. Di ba yung pagkabaha, di ba lalagyan mo kasi ayaw mabasa yung sapatos o ayaw malublob sa baha o dahil hanggang bukong-bukong yung tubig o minsan nga nangyayari hanggang tuhod pa. Pero dahil dyan kung ikay maabilidad at sanay ka namang mabasa ng ulan at sana mabait ka para dumami ka pa, no? Ang gagawin mo lang yung tabla, ipapatong mo sa bangketa o sa mataas na lugar para makatawid yung ating mga rema at mga repa. Tapos, siyempre, pagkakain mo ng noodles, huwag mo itatapon yung cup. Gamitin mo yung cup, inyangga mo sa kanang kamay mo, bawat may tatawid, may toll gate ka na. Pero, ito lang walang pilitan. Kasi, ang maganda rito, nakatulong ka na sa kapwa, nakagawa ka na ng kabutihan sa komunidad, tapos konting diskarte lang sa gedli, pwede ka pang kumita. Kaya walang pilitan. May tulong ka na, may anda ka pa. Yung tsape. Kaya yan po, mga kapuso, mga abangers sa gedli. Yan ang ating tips sa abilidad ng buhay para kumita naman kahit papaano ngayong panahon ng tag-ulan. Yan po ang ating Isko 101. Nako, mga rema, mga repa. Siguradong maaliw kayo sa bisita natin ngayon dahil international ang level nito. Bakit nga ba siya kinagigiliwan? At isa na po ako doon. Madalas ko po siyang panoorin sa short, sa YT at sa TikTok. At bakit meron din siya mga haters na hindi siya kinatutuan? Pero kilala siyang, fashion blogger, content creator. At ito pinaka-importante sa lahat. And I'm proud of him, Editor-in-Chief and International Socialite. Wow! Mga repa, mga rema, eto na. Please welcome Brian Boy!
Hello.
Welcome to Discovery Night.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. I know it's very seldom that you come to the country, your home, because you're always abroad. Thank you very much.
Salamat
It's a
po.
great honor. Maraming salamat sa iyo. But how are you?
I'm good.
Uh-huh.
I'm very, very good. Exhausted a little bit.
Yeah,
Because
sa
I've
biyahe,
been-
no?
Yeah, biyahe. And then I've been here for siguro 6 days na po sa Philippines. And almost every day, dami pong trabaho.
Oo, talaga. Naku, siyempre, in demand ka. But alam ko, miss na miss mo na ang Pinas. Kaya may handa sa iyo ang Discovery Night. Ito ang ating chicha ngayon. Pilipinong-Pilipino. Meron ka diyang kutsinta, puto, biko, suman.
Suman.
Ayan. Anytime ha, pwede kang tumira niyan habang
Yes.
nag-uusap tayo. Basta dito sa Discovery Night, chill lang tayo. Okay, eto muna ha. Kasi I think, no, if I'm not mistaken, this will be your first interview na literally interview. Usually, sinasabi mo naman yan through your writings. But what I want to know and our viewers to know, sino nga ba si Brian Boy?
Well, Brian Boy is a persona on the internet.
Okay.
My real name is Brian Yambao.
Are you from Pampanga?
No.
Yambao, oh.
I mean, my family was originally from Laguna
Laguna.
in the south. Yeah.
Mm.
So, not Pampanga. It's funny, ang dami nagtatanong sa akin, oh, every time they hear Yambao, are you
Yes.
related to Pampanga? Nope.
Oh, kasi
Yeah.
mga kaklase ko rin nung araw at mga ibang kakilala ko, yung Yambao parang Pampanga.
Yeah.
So you're from Laguna.
Laguna original.
Gaano kayo kayaman nung araw sa Laguna?
We're like middle class naman po.
Okay, so komportable naman.
Comfortable.
Kaya ko tinanong yung gaano kayo kayaman kasi talaga ang projection mo. Ako, misa, sabi ko, ang galing-galing nito. Ang ganda-ganda ng taste sa buhay. Di ba? Misa nakikita ko sa comment, Ninang, baka naman. Bakit Ninang ang tawag sa'yo?
This whole Ninang started from last year. Actually,
Okay.
last year, 2 years ago, during Christmas time. Kasi umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. And then that's when I, discovered the audience on TikTok. I mean, I started TikTok on the pandemic. But then, when I did it in Sweden, puro English yung content ko. And then when I went to the Philippines, I was on lockdown. I think siguro mga 1 week pa ako sa hotel. May quarantine pa nun dati eh.
Aha.
So, I started making TikToks in Tagalog. So, syempre, yung mga audience ko, nangihingi sila ng pamasko. And then, I was like, hindi niyo pa ako
sweet naman.
ninang.
Totoo yun, ha? Ninang, baka
So, yung
naman.
mga phrase na yon, actually, dalawang phrase yung natutunan ko dati. Sana all and
Ah.
baka naman.
Ah.
So, ang dami nanghihingi sa akin. So, syempre, I said, I'm here, I'm back in the Philippines, ganyan. So, ang dami nanghihingi. Pamasko ko po, pamasko, baka naman po. So, syempre ako naman, hindi niyo po ako ninang. Huwag niyo po ako hinga ng pamasko. Di ko naman po kayo kakilala,
Kilala,
di ba?
oo.
Kung bilyonaryo po ako, of course, go. But I'm not.
Why not?
Exactly. So in the end, parang, okay, you know what? Let me just own this phrase because people started calling me Nina.
Ninang. Okay.
And then, people started to ask me for advice. And then, yeah, it just became a brand all of a sudden.
Wow.
Yeah.
So nag-a-advise. Anong hinihingi advice usually?
Iba't-iba lang. I mean, because usually, TikTok is very interactive. They ask for advice,
Mhm.
mga love life, career, work.
Mhm.
It's very interactive in a sense na anyone can ask anyone questions. Ako naman, minsan, I answer them or I also reply sa mga comments, ganon. Like, I made a video today, for example, yesterday, kasi like, I posted a picture,
Mm.
so me and Curtis and Brett Manrock. Hindi pa ako nakakapagpa-pedicure, so yung mga tao, talagang hinihimay nila yung mga pictures mo. So, my feet are kind of like hidden, like nakaganon. So, sabi, bakit po yung paa nyo ganon? So, syempre ako naman, I had to reply to that. Sabi ko, pasensya na po, hindi pa ako nakakapagpa-pedicure. Kung yung paa ko po mukhang pangkargador, pasensya na po. So, don't, So, yun nga. So, I always reply, I always joke around. That's the beauty of the platforms. You can make people laugh. You can be yourself.
Oh.
And I try to encourage people to be that.
Ang sweet mo naman. In my own little way, I do the same.
Yeah.
To interact or at least shout out. Diba? May
Yeah.
madala yan.
Mahilig
pa-shout out.
sila, opo.
Oo. For my hair, I choose iColor Plus for men. It only takes 10 minutes to achieve natural black hair. You can even do it between meetings. It's a quick, easy fix made for men. Natural black suits you. Check out now because men need you. Nakikita ka sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo.
Yeah.
Paano yun? How do you go to those places?
I travel a lot kasi because of work. You know,
Mhm.
I mean, as an editor-in-chief, I have to go to different fashion shows. As a content creator, ini-invite po ako ng mga brands to go to their events. And then, you know, I also have contractual relationships sa mga clients ko po, yung mga pangkabuhayan showcase. So,
Ah.
all of these are, you know, happening all around the world. Parang the biggest misconception ng mga tao, you know, that I travel so much, parang bakasyon lang, but it's never vacation.
Trabaho yun.
Trabaho, everything is work or business meetings or it has to do something with a contract. Yeah, it's all work.
And medyo upscale dahil minsan nakikita ko yung mga sinasakyan mo talagang business class, di ba? So do you pay for this or clients?
It really depends. Most of the time, I pay for it out of my pocket and then I just deduct it on my talent fee. You know what I mean?
Oh.
It's kind of like if I have multiple clients in one city,
Mm.
of course, it makes sense for me to, you know, invest in myself, di ba? The travel, it's a business expense. You know what I mean? So I just deduct it from my operating expenses.
Mm.
So parang lahat siya, it's really part of a business. And it's really
Correct.
important for me to be comfortable, to look presentable to my clients, you know, to do a good job.
Yung key yun. You have to invest in yourself.
Exactly.
That's a key. And that is a very good lesson for any vloggers who are doing vlog. Kahit ano pang field, no?
Yeah.
Yun yung mga take natin ngayon. Mag-invest ka sa sarili mo, making it as a business.
Yep.
Dahil kung talaga nagba-vlog ka na, negosyo yan. And that costs money to operate or to produce a content.
Exactly.
And this is, yun yung ginagawa mo, no?
Yeah.
Professionalize mo yung vlogging. But, paano ka naging international vlogger nung nakatira ka pa nung, year 2000 dito sa Pilipinas?
When I used to live in the Philippines in 2004, it was really a hobby. This was not my main business.
Ito ba yung old school na vlogging?
Old school vlogging.
Yung
Yeah.
anong tawag dito?
Yung
Parang
mga
journalism.
Typepad, Typepad, WordPress, Blogger, yung mga ganon.
Yun,
Yung mga
yun.
platforms po.
Oo.
Dati pa yung mga 19 2000s, panahon ng hapon. You know?
Panahon ng hapon.
So back then, siguro we would take pictures the whole day. We would take, 500 pictures. And then at the end of the night, you're gonna type like 1,000 words. Kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo the whole day. So it's really like a whole thing. But now, because we live in a mobile and, centric environment, everything's instant. Everything's on the phone. So mas madali na talaga siya ngayon. So before, blogging and content creation, this was not, my business. I used to be a website designer.
Web development.
Yeah.
So
But I
that's,
used to write HTML code. I used to create
Wow.
websites.
programmer ka pa.
Before. But the language now is different.
Marami na ngayon. Paano ka na-discover ng isang international magazine as editor-in-chief?
I think during the pandemic, me and a colleague of mine, which is my CEO, she is a legendary stylist. Her name is Katie Grand, and she was the editor-in-chief of another magazine. So during the pandemic, she decided to start a new one. And then we started it together. She hired me as an editorial director.
Okay.
And then after 2 years, last year, she promoted me as editor-in-chief.
Wow. Nakaka-proud naman, Pilipino, di ba? Nasa international,
Yeah.
I'm always proud of Filipino making it, whether here in the Philippines or abroad. At saka, hindi biro kasi yung ginagawa mo. Nagugulat ako, ma-attend ka ng mga to die for na event ng mga ibang, fashion critic or fashion designer. Even fashion designer, hindi makapasok basta-basta sa pinapasukan mo. Is it because of your access to clientele na talagang kilala sa buong mundo?
I think, it's about relationships. I've been doing
Wow.
this for almost 20 years. So in the beginning, when I first started going to the shows and events, not everyone accepted me.
Why?
Because-
Prejudice?
Prejudice, unfamiliarity, they don't know who I am. They don't know what kind of work I do. There's an element of distrust. Why would we invite someone that we don't know? So of
Okay.
course, you build your relationships over time. Yung mga dating intern nagtatrabaho sa mga fashion brands, I was friendly with them.
So yung mga
interns, secretary, assistants,
PR.
you need to be nice to everyone. So imagine, they used to be interns, they used to be assistants, they used to be
Oh.
junior people. 15 years later, they're like chief brand officers, chief marketing officers, creative directors. So these are people that I was loyal to, and they were also loyal with me. We kind of like grew up together, and that's how I got access to all these brands.
So, the way I look at it, and correct me if I'm wrong, yung social ability mo na naging puhunan mo.
Definitely.
No? Kasi hindi mo naman yan yung social relationship. It takes time eh.
It takes time to develop all of them.
Yes. Minsan, sinishare ko sa ating mga viewers, you always have to protect your character. Because your character, more than your PhD, more than your MBA, you need those. You need education, no question. But on top of that, if you have this social ability, yung social relationship, which
Definitely.
you are now a very well-known Brian Boy. And you are respected. Your views are respected. What do you think, why hati? Ito sa Pinoy Wag mo na
Yeah.
sa foreigner. Kasi
Foreigner.
alam natin na foreigner,
foreigner,
straight
yeah.
talkers yan.
Yeah.
Why do you think na hati lagi ang opinion ng mga Pilipino when you say something, the way I look at it, truthful and honest?
Well, I mean, if I want to be honest, madaming bobo po. But I mean, I say it lightly.
Bobo in such a way that
Bobo, what
Hindi
it
lang
means that there's a
alam nila
lot,
yung field.
there's a lot of ignorant people and
Okay.
people who are really uneducated in a way that they're not, they're used to, they're used to judging or having an opinion based on what's in a box. They're not, they don't have an
Oh.
open mind. They're not exposed to all kinds of, content out there, whether it's humor, satire.
discernment.
Exactly. They don't have critical, analysis. They just have an inability to judge what they see. So they think everything that they see online is real or serious. They conform. They just don't have an open mind. A lot of Filipinos don't.
Talaga?
Yeah. And I think the people who get me, they get the jokes, they get the humor.
Hmm.
They know how to read between the lines. They
Minsan satire.
Exactly.
Hindi lang nila nagigets.
Yeah, exactly. With my kind of humor, it's very complex. There's always a message somewhere.
Please share to us how these foreigners, like the top of the league, no, dealing with people. Kasi yun ang laging misconception no, ng mga Pinoy. Tama ba na sa kanila, once you do business or dealing with them, they don't waste time.
No.
No bullshit.
No bullshit.
Straightforward.
People are very decisive.
Okay.
Time is money. I always say this. Time is valuable. Time is money. You don't waste anyone's time. You make a decision now, right here, right then. A yes is a yes. Hindi po yung parang, okay, maybe, pag-iisipan ko. Wala na po mga ganyan. It's either a yes or no.
Because
It's very clear.
and because the world is very competitive.
Yeah.
Tama. Totoo yun. But do you think tayo ba as Pilipino, maabot natin yung level na yun?
Definitely po. Opo naman, Filipinos are very, very patient people.
Okay.
But also, they're also progressive. Filipino attitudes change over time.
And we
Because
have
they
to
all
adapt.
want to they all want to be, productive. They all want to be efficient. Conducting business now is easier than ever.
I agree with you. Have you, as Filipino, experienced discrimination?
Personally, no. For me personally, not naman. Because, again, because of the nature of my job, the people I get to interact with on a day-to-day basis, it's kind of filtered. You know what I mean? I'm so used to dealing with foreigners who are also exposed to the rest of the world. You know, they travel a lot. They come from a certain background. Their work, so parang in discrimination, it's very rare, and I've never personally experienced it.
Good for you.
Yeah.
No? Good for you. But what is the definition of luxury?
Real luxury for me is time. It's not a material thing.
Wow.
If I have the time
Ang
to
lalim
do
ni
what I
Brian,
want,
ha? In fairness, ha? Oo. Bihira yun, ha? Bihira nakakaintindi.
hindi po siya alahas, hindi po
Oh.
siya jamon, hindi po siya mamahaling bag. Sa akin po, oras.
While you show this material things, expensive things, but you still value something else that is very important, which is time.
Time. Time is money.
Katulad po na sinasabi ko sa inyo, mga rema, you can always lose money. You can gain back money. You can lose things, you can gain back things. But when you lose time, you cannot buy back time.
No.
Ang gandang lesson yun, ha? Coming from Brian Boy. And I hope all of you are watching right now, no? Tingnan niyo yung mga mindset ni Brian Boy because, I'm very particular with the words and principle na ang binabanggit mo sa buhay because this can make a person in the world stage because you have already proven it.
The Energy Series generators from Powerhouse. Armed with a quick start system, equipped with a heavy-duty single-cylinder 4-stroke engine and its large fuel tank. Powerhouse Energy Series generators. Unlimited fun, unlimited possibilities, unlimited energy.
Ano naman ang masishare mo ngayon, mga kabataang nanonood, no? Na mahilig din sa travel, shopping, nahuhumaling sa lavish lifestyle. What can you say to them?
I think for me, it's very, very important to save money for yourself, save for your future. Wag po kayo magpapakabulag kung ano yung nakikita niyo po sa internet kasi yung mga tao bumibili ng mga luxury goods or they have a lifestyle. If they do that, great for them. Chances are madami po silang pera, meron po silang investments. But for yourself, you need to save money for yourself. I'm gonna share a story.
Please.
Bali last year, nung last December, I went back, I came to see my family. And then of course, bili ng mga pasalubong. You know what I mean? So, nakalimutan ko bumili ng pasalubong for some of my family members. So at the airport, at Doha, Qatar Airport, nag-pit stop ako sa Ralph Lauren. So syempre, bibili ako ng mga polo shirts, mga pamimigay.
Pasalubong.
Pasalubong, pamimigay sa mga people. So,
Before you continue, I'm happy, you're still a Filipino.
Of course.
Oh,
Of
malasakit, no?
Of course.
Pagmamahal sa pamilya, kamag-anak.
Yeah.
Pilipino pa rin siya, kahit imagine mo, foreign land na siya. I'm really happy.
Thank you.
Hindi nawawala sa yung pagiging
Of course.
Pilipino. Yeah, so bumili ka Ralph Lauren.
Yeah, so bumili ako ng mga polo shirts. And then, yung nag-assist po sa akin, Pilipino din siya. So, ang comment niya, ay, sir, ano po, buti na lang pala, nagbibilan ng mga pasalubong yung mga kapamilya niyo po, mga kaibigan niyo. Ako nga, ang tagal ko na po hindi nakaka-uwi ng Philippines. Sabi ko, ba't ganon? Actually, 3 years na po ako hindi umuwi kasi nagtatrabaho po ako dito sa Qatar. Lahat ng mga pinagtatrabuhan ko po, pinapadala ko sa bahay. So, syempre, kung uuwi po ako, pamasahe. Tapos, manghihingi pa sila ng mga pasalubong. Yung mga gastusin pa po pag nagpunta po ako. So, hindi na po ako umuwi. Ang hirap po makauwi.
Paano yung sa kanya?
Nothing. Wala. This is why, for me, it's so important, lalo na po sa mga OFW, you need to save money for yourself. It's so important talaga.
Mahalin niyo ang sarili niyo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Spare love to yourself. No?
Yeah.
Hindi lang to others. Because you cannot help
Everyone.
others kung ikaw mismo hindi matulungan ang sarili mo.
Exactly.
Oh, yun, nakita niyo, narinig niyo kay Brian Boy. Based on experience, biri mo, 3 years ka hindi makauwi. Because you keep on trying to address yung request beyond your means. No?
Exactly.
Kaya wala ka na natitipid.
Yeah.
Ang daming story ang ganyan
I know.
sa abroad. Mga OFW. Uy, mag-iingat kayo. We love you. And I hope yung mga simpleng bagay, no? Simpleng mindset that can bring better things for you. Natutunan natin kay Brian. Pero hindi yan dyan tayo nagtatapos sa masayang usapan natin. Dahil dadaanin natin sa isang game para mas makilala pa rin natin ng lubusan si Brian Boy. Simple lang naman to. May mga katanungan kami o statement lang na kaming ibibigay sa iyo at ikaw ang magsasabi
Okay.
kung ito ay Bomba Labs o Totots. So, pag totoo, ganyan. Pag Bomba
Yeah.
Labs, ganyan.
Okay.
Okay. Una, ito na.
Okay.
Wala talagang work si Brian Boy.
To Otots. Nagbabalita lang po ako sa internet.
Bomba Labs. So, sinabi na natin kanina na siya ay international editor na, and we're very proud of him na as a Filipino, give pride to the country and showcase our talent in a different field, no? So, keep it up. Okay, second. Nako, ito, minsan napapansin ko rin to. Totoo ba si Brian Boy ang may-ari ng IKEA?
To Otots po. It's true, ako po ang CEO ng IKEA. And we have a special announcement coming up in 3 to 4 weeks. So stay tuned.
Gusto ko yan. Kasi bibili ako ng ano eh. May bibili na akong sopa sa IKEA in the coming days. Okay. May asawa raw si Brian Boy na Swedish or taga-Sweden.
Bomba Labs.
Good time kayo lang.
Actually, to Otots po. Bali, I got married in New York in 2015.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Diba? Kaya basta ako, kung ano ang choices niyo sa buhay, go ahead. Basta love begets love, respect begets respect. So, yun, yung mga nagtatanong, ayan, na-confirm na, from the horse's mouth. Kasal po, hindi po single si Brian Boy. Ito na, ito yung mga mema naman. Cloud chaser lang daw si Brian Boy.
To Otots po, send me clouds. I love attention on the internet. Yes, cloud chaser po ako. I am in the business of creating content.
In a good way.
Of course. And I am very, very grateful for having an audience that has been following me over the years, and people who support me so much. I really am very grateful for that, and I have a platform. It's really a blessing.
Wow. Ito na, dito naghahati ang mga Pilipino. Mata pobre raw si Brian Boy.
To Otots po. Bawal po ang mahirap. Kailangan po lahat tayo magtrabaho. I really encourage people, to work, to have financial independence, to be independent. That's always my message. We need to stop this culture of always asking.
Self-pity.
Yeah, self-pity, asking, relying on other people. We need to be able to stand on our own 2 feet and, do something for ourselves.
Ang iyong tagumpay, hanapin kung saan manggagaling. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung saan ka magaling, may ningning tumataginting sa sarili mong entablado. Ikaw ang bida rito. Walang mas magaling kahit na sino. Walang lugar ang pagkatalo dahil nasa'yo ang panalo.
Out of touch daw sa kalagayan ng mga Pilipino si Brian Boy.
Bomba Labs naman po.
Yeah.
Yeah. I interact with so many Filipinos on a day-to-day basis. Not even Filipinos, like with a lot of audience from around the world. I read all the comments. I read the news. I know what's going on. I always have a good sense of reality check. But sometimes, I do use what I've seen online as a tool to create content.
And send message.
It's all there has to be a message on everything that I do.
Okay. Maraming kaibigang international celebrity si Brian Boy.
Bomba Labs. Because the thing is, ako po, hindi ko pa sila tinitignan celebrity. Whenever I meet yung mga sikat na tao, they're sikat kasi trabaho po nila yon.
Okay.
So they're also human beings. Hindi ko po sila iniidolo. They're not idols. I don't use them as an example. They're just normal people with a
Trying to make a
high-profile
living.
job. Exactly. Trabaho lang po sila. So, but of course, sikat, ganyan. But I don't see them as celebrities.
Si Brian Boy daw ay all natural. Yeah.
Boma Labs. baka what? Baka all fake. No, I mean, I'm very much into improving yourself
Physically.
physically.
Ah.
Actually, not just physical, I like to improve myself on all aspects of my life. Career, work, personal
Knowledge.
life, knowledge. It's so important to always learn something new. It's
Mm.
so important to educate yourselves. It's so important to do things that we're not used to.
Galing nito. No wonder. No wonder na-achieve mo yun. Because yung pagbutihin mo yung sarili mo sa isang bagay na that can bear you good fruits.
Of course.
Di ba?
Always invest in yourself. That's the thing.
Correct.
Yeah.
O yan ha, nalaman nyo na ang Boma Lab saka totoo. Galing mismo from the horse's mouth, Brian Boy. At ito naman, mga repa, dahil bigatin ang bisita natin, kailangan tapusin natin to with a buzz. Kaya naman, due to insistent public demand, ibinabalik natin ang wow. Wow talaga, dahil bit-bit na naman natin ang nginig at kaba sa ating mga bisita. And let's play Is Kuryente. Simple lang naman yan, Ninang. No? Kailangan mo lang mabuo yung maze. At inanda namin yan para sa iyo, yung Is Kuryente, para from point A to point B, hindi kailangan tumama sa wire. Bibigyan ka namin ng 3 chances para matapos, pero bawat maling chance, may mga kaakibat na consequence. Okay. G ka na ba, Ninang?
Yes,
G na siya. Ready, Ninang?
Ready pa.
Okay. Go. Yan na. Okay. Yeah. Dapat Ayun! Okay. Unang consequence na gagawin ni Ninang, Brian Boy. Magpapakita ka ng photo na magpapakilig sa'yo ngayon.
Ready.
Okay.
So bali kagabi po, nagpunta kami sa Vogue Philippines Ball.
Wow.
Yeah, Vogue Philippines Ball. And nakasama ko po si Miss Pia Wurtzbach, si Liza Soberano, si Brett Manrock, si Bea Alonzo, Nadine, and Ann Curtis.
Oh.
So we all took a group shot sa bathroom ng Shangri-La Hotel. And then, nagpapakilig siya because to be able to get everyone, all of the biggest stars, some of the biggest stars in the Philippines into one shot and nagpa-selfie with me, of course, that is an honor.
Wow. Okay. Second try.
Yeah.
May tip ako. Kailangan one hand.
One hand?
Oh.
Okay. Ay!
Nako,
Yeah.
mukhang masama ginagawa mo pagkatapos. Naliligo ka kagad,
Yeah.
napapasma ka. Charot. Alam mo yun ng mga manonood.
Yeah.
Sige, magsabi ng isang famous celebrity na na-enjoy mo katrabaho.
Pinaka na-enjoy ko ng trabaho. She is a Thai actress. Her name is Davika Horn. And she's one of the most beautiful girls I've met in the world. Talented actress. And she's also on the cover of Perfect Magazine.
Okay. Okay. Third, tirahin natin. Pangatlo.
Yeah.
Yan nga natin kung makukuha mo na.
Okay. Hirap na to.
Ang hirap actually. Pero,
Nope.
okay. 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 Wala pa talaga.
Wala talaga.
Pangalawang guess na, hindi pa rin nakakatapos. Ano? Okay, ito ang pangatlong consequence na gagawin ni Ninang Brian Boy. Magsabi ng isang famous celebrity na ayaw mong makatrabaho.
Donald Trump.
Ang lakas ang loob ng Ninang. Di ba? Why? Why you don't like Donald Trump?
I mean, it's not that I don't like him. I mean, he is indicted.
May indictment.
May indictment siya. 91 charges. So,
Okay.
to work with him anytime soon would be virtually impossible.
Oh. Pero, just for the sake of our viewers, no, indictment doesn't mean you're guilty.
Exactly. Everyone's innocent until they're proven guilty.
Yan. Kaya yun yung sinasabi ni Brian Boy kanina, yung kinukwento niya na minsan kailangan mo mag-discern, kailangan mo i-analyze, di ba? You don't just believe on what you heard and saw in internet. Oh. Kasi kawawa naman dahil
Of course.
marami na papatunayan na bandang huli after the social judgment.
Yeah.
No? Social judgment. Ibig sabihin, tayo, inusgahan kagad natin only to find out
It's not true.
that it's not true. Diba? Oh. Pero yung sinasabi, Brian, ba kaya ayaw nyo makatrabaho? Ang hirap makatrabaho. Ang isang 91 cases, i-manage mo, di ba? Mahirap talaga.
Pag ang tama, mali, di makagalaw, wasak, kumukuhit, sakit ulitin. Ang Red Horse Beer, kapag ang lasa, ang sipa, tama, kayang sumabay para sa isa pang bote. Sarap ulitin ng lakas ng tama pero di wasak.
Anyway, thank you very much,
Thank you
Ninang.
so much. Thank
I
you
know
for
you're very
having me.
busy. You're flying back tomorrow. And I wish you all the best. I would like to say this on a personal level. I'm very proud of you. I requested for you with all honesty because you're an inspiration. A lot of people get aspiration from you. And I hope you do well. You know, more success in life. And may God continue to guide and bless you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Nina.
Thank you so
Ang galing
much.
mo.
Thank you.
Gina G ka.
Thank you so
Ay,
much.
palakpakan natin. At syempre, hindi natin makakalimutan. Ito na. Ayan. Ang ating, para kay Ninang.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank you so much.
Of
Scott.
course, dahil baka naman po pwede,
Thank you.
dahil mahilig ka
Yeah.
sa mga luxury item, kami dito may luxury product din kami. G-Bag.
Yay!
Deadly. Ang taba ng utak ng creative eh. Ninang, ayan.
Thank you po.
And
Thank
of
you.
course, ito ay hatid sa iyo ng ating one of our sponsors, ang Amigo.
Wow!
Amigo Products.
Wow.
Ito, pasta.
Yeah.
Yung, di ba? Siyempre sa Europe, pasta. At saka, hindi ka na ulit ang isang linggong ulam. Yeah.
So pwede ko siya, I mean, this will remind me of home pag nasa Sweden
yes,
po ako.
exactly. Exactly,
Served
pwede
with
yan.
rice.
Yes.
Di ba? Spicy adobo.
Yan, galing sa
I know.
Amigo.
I know.
Pwede.
Ooh.
Malay mo, baka nanonood si ma'am.
Thank you po.
Baka naman, ma'am.
Ang dami, luncheon meat.
Di ba?
With fried egg and rice, di ba?
Di ba? Naku, thank you very much.
Thank you
Nako.
po. Thank you so much.
Mag-iingat ka. Meron ka bang gustong i-plug? Kasi ano ngayon? Fashion Month.
Fashion Month. Yes, I'm gonna be going to New York, London, Milan, and Paris. But I think it's just about, my message to a lot of the people watching this and Filipinos. Don't forget to think about yourselves, create opportunities for yourself, and really, just work.
Yeah.
Even with me, for example, I created my career, I really built my platforms, built my audiences, and I'm sure you guys can do it too. Find what you love to do, find your passion, and try to look for ways na magkakitaan niyo po yung
Hilig
mahalin
nyo.
niyo, hilig po ninyo.
Tama. Okay, thank you very much. Saka, mga rema, huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-add to cart. Mag-check out kayo gamit ang promo code nating PhilYorme para magkaroon kayo ng discount sa inyong mga Shopee at Lazada account galing sa Amigo Sigurado. Mga Discovery Nighties, para sa mas pinasaya, mas pinakwela, mas pinabongga na Season 3, times 3 din ang kalokohan dito sa ating newest segment, Joke Box. Every week, kasali kayo sa mga biruan. Mga repa, mga rema, baka kayo naman ang susunod na Joke Box King or Queen. Isend nyo na ang inyong pangdiinang joke sa discoverynight@gmail.com. Bubunot ako ng 3 funny jokes at ang mapipili makakatanggap ng special na regalo mula sa Discovery Night team. So ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Send in your funniest hits para makatanggap ng gifts. Itotodo na natin ang Laugh, Laugh, Laugh dito sa Discovery Night Joke Box. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok ninyo at sa mga team replay, ay maraming salamat at sa ating mga members na patuloy na nagme-members monthly, no? At sa ating mga viewers, I hope you don't mind me asking you, if you like our show, please do share and do subscribe in our channel. At kami dito sa Discovery Night, pipilitin namin in our own little way, na maging masaya lagi ang Biyernes ng gabi ninyo dito sa Pilipinas at sa amang parte ng mundo. And don't forget to click the notification button. Uli, maraming salamat. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pong May Kapal. Thank you, mga Repa, mga Rema. Ito po ang Discovery Night. See you next week.
This is gonna be a different night. Welcome to Discovery Night.